To do the extra credit, first what you're going to do is you're going to do a Google search for a black circle and a moon with a transparent background. What you're going to need to do is in Google Images, you're going to click on Tools, and you're going to click on right here. It should normally say Color, and you're going to choose Transparent. So again, that's Tools, Color, Transparent. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to save your image. Make sure that it has a checkerboard background behind it, otherwise it's probably not going to actually be transparent. So here is a good option because it has the checkerboard background. From there, you're going to go to wevideo.com, and then from here what you're going to do is you're going to hit login in the top right corner. You're then going to sign in with your Google account. So log in with Google. All right, and so then from there what you're going to do is you're going to create a new video. Hopefully this doesn't take too long to load. Unfortunately, it is taking a little while to load. So then what you're going to do is in the top left corner, you're going to click the drop down arrow next to where it says create, and you're going to choose video. So again, create video. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to upload the picture of the moon and the black circle. You're going to do that by clicking import, which is up here toward the top. And then from here, you can click on Google Drive. That would probably be the best option if you were using a Chromebook. In this case, I'm not, so I'm going to hit Browse to select, although this will work as well on a Chromebook. It's just going to look a little bit different on a Chromebook, but you want to add your black circle and you want to add your moon. So you're going to do black circle, again, import, Browse to select. We're going to add the moon. So then you should have your moon and your black circle up here. So then from here, what you're going to do is you are going to put your moon into video 1. You are going to put your black circle into text 1. You're going to see that the black circle covers the moon. You can resize the black circle temporarily. So notice here, the handles, there's the black circle. I can make it so that it's large enough to cover the moon, which is actually what I want it to do. So I'm going to make it large enough to cover the moon. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the black circle right here in text 1, and I'm going to click on edit right here. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on animation on the left-hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and click on end position. So now I'm going to drag the circle, making sure that I'm in end position right here. And I'm going to drag the circle off the moon kind of toward the bottom left corner, just like that. I'm going to hit play, and then I'm going to see what it looks like. So essentially, the black circle should be moving toward the bottom left. I'm then going to click on Done. Then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another black circle and another moon to my project. Again, I'm going to click on the black circle in text 1, and what I'm going to do this time is I'm actually going to move it off of the moon toward the bottom right corner. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Edit again and click on the Animation tab again on the left-hand side. I'm going to click on End Position. And then what I'm going to do is for end position, I'm going to drag the circle so that it covers the moon. I'm then going to hit play and make sure that it works. So first we see the moon, then we see the darkness coming from the bottom right and eventually covering the moon. And then you're going to hit Done. So then if you were to play the entire thing, you're essentially going to see all of the moon phases. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. Then from here, what you're going to do is you are going to record your voice by hitting narrate, and you're going to explain what's happening in this scene. Okay, so I'm not going to give you that information for you, but you can look at the directions on the extra credit to get that. But again, it's going to be narrate. You're going to have to give permission for the microphone. You'll click on record. It's going to say starting in 3, 2, 1, and then you'll record your voice and explain what's happening in this scene. And I'm just going to hit stop and save. So what you'll need to do is you might need to adjust the time that these two things appear. All right, so you can do that by clicking and dragging the ends to adjust the time that something appears. And then when you're all done, you're going to click export, and then you're going to click on Google Drive. Make sure that Google Drive is checked off, and you'll click on export, and then from there you'll be able to have it saved to Google Drive.